Social media platforms have become an essential instrument for most SMEs to advertise and commercialize their products and services. Within the realm of social media, IPRs are very present, and consequently, SMEs and users should know how to use content on social media and to avoid IP infringement. Here are some tips. Do not use another company's trademarks as account name or to market your products, especially if they are well-known trademarks. Do not share counterfeit products. You can use a third-party trademark to make reference to the goods or services protected by that trademark. You can hyperlink or you can comment as regards those goods and services. And remember, if your post promotes a product on behalf of a brand, do not forget to include hashtags. Hashtag advertising, hashtag ad, hashtag sponsored. Do not post pictures, music or videos belonging to a third party without their consent. You cannot promote your business using material which does not belong to you without the authorization of the author. However, you can use fragments of content, always giving credit to the author and indicating the source. Or, alternatively, use content explicitly free of rights or licensed under Creative Commons. You can repost or retweet online content, ensuring that the identification of the author and the integrity of the work are preserved. Finally, be aware that social media platforms are introducing new features for IP holders to automatically report IPR infringement. For instance, they allow to detect and report ads, posts, accounts, or marketplaces that are infringing IPRs. Want to learn more? Check our library for further material and follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube.